Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I am going to talk about IBA Cosmetic. Maybe you've not heard a lot about this brand, but this is an Indian brand which is certified cruelty free and it makes paraben free and chemical free products. And I am going to talk about their product which is must have everyday lip and cheek tint. So let's talk about the products without any waste of time. Starting off with the first shade, I'm gonna use it on both cheek and a lip. To be utmost honest, its fragrance is really strong. So in case if you're a person who feels that you don't want to use anything strong on your lip, and if it's unbearable, then this product is not made for you for lip. But if I talk about cheek, it looks super natural. You can see without any hustle, it blends in just few seconds, making it look very soft. मतलब ये बिल्कुल ही natural look देता है. आपको बिल्कुल नहीं लगता आपने अलग से रोज लगाया. वैसे भी winter आ गया है. So you need a minimum makeup that doesn't dry your face, and this चीक टिंट इज सुपर्ब. मैंने एक्चुअली अपने सारे रिप्लेस कर दिया है इससे बिकॉज ये एकदम नेचुरल लुक देता है एंड विंटर में इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाता है स्किन पे. अलग से लगाया हुआ नहीं दिखता. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी for the cheek. But talking about the lip, in case if you can carry something without matte on your lip, then this is meant for you as well as for the lip also. क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा ही मैट को चूज़ करती हूँ लिप पे बिकॉज अदरवाइज आई लुक लिटिल डार्क. Thereby avoiding that, I am not able to get comfortable using it on lip. Otherwise it's great for both of lip and cheek. I think I should definitely say that इसका caption बिल्कुल ठीक है. It is like must have, and it comes in 4 different shades. Plus it's affordable. The MRP is not too high at all. Comes in very natural shades. What else do you want? Okay, so that's it for today's video. So I actually loved reviewing this lip and cheek tint, and सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि it comes in a very छोटू सा size, easy to carry. It is not liquid, it is not it's not matte. It comes in a balm form, so it won't break, won't spill, so easy to carry. बहुत ही अच्छा point है ये तो. So in case if you're looking for to buy one for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description box, so that you can go and click that, buy one for yourself. And yeah, I hope you like the video too. If you do, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care and stay tuned.